videoing this plant because it was a gift from Florida, and the bottom leaves were the way I got the plant. Mind you, it came from Florida. It probably was in a greenhouse or outside, and it was probably getting a lot of sun. Now the reason I'm videoing this is because the upper leaves that are green and healthy are from me taking care of it, and it was only getting partial sun. So if you have a passion, you might want to pull it out of full sun if the leaves look distressed and yellowish on the ends, and put it in partial sun and see if it starts doing a lot better.